To apply for Grnma loan, you need to have the following details. First, you need to have your affordability. You can see your affordability on your payslip. You need to have your net salary. You can see your net salary on your payslip. You need to have your mandate number, and you can generate your mandate number from your payslip. You need to have your controller OTP, and you will get this controller OTP after you generate your mandate number. They will send it to you as an SMS. Next, you need to get a referee, and this referee should be a colleague nurse who is a member of Grnma. Next, you need to know the amount you want to apply for, and here you need to understand that the minimum Grnma will give you is 5,000. Let me explain. If you are a nurse and you want 6,000 or 7,000, you are assured that you get 5,000. Above 5,000, any other amount that you want, it will base on your nurses fund. And I have a video on how you can check your nurses fund, so you can watch that video and know your nurses fund, and that could give you an idea of the amount you can get or the amount you can apply for. So usually you multiply your nurses fund by 3, and what you get is what you will be able to apply for, but the least we will give you is 5,000 cedis. However, if you decide to apply for 2,000, 1,500, 3,000, we can give you that amount of money. But if you want more than 5,000, that is where you need to come in with your nurses fund. We will check that from our back end. You don't need to tell us my nurses fund is ABCD. Just make the applications, and then the loan board will check from the back end, look at your nurses fund, multiply that by 3. If it exceeds or is up to the amount that you want, then they will be able to process that huge amount for you. And the next thing you need to have is the duration of payment. We have duration from 6 months to 24 months. That is the number of months that we are working with currently. However, assuming you take the loan today and within next month or next 2 months, you think you want to pay off your loan, there are processes in which you can do that. You can pay off your loan and you'll be free from that. So these are the key things that you need. So you go to your browser, or you can simply go to Google if you have Google on your phone. Just tap the search icon there, and then you type the payslip. Okay, you see payslip login, payslip Ghana. You just tap on payslip login Ghana. It opens for you. So where you see the blue, link, you tap on that. It opens this way for you. So you put in your staff ID, then you put in your password. Then you put in this code. Usually if you have numbers and alphabets, you put the numbers, the alphabet, you use small letters throughout. After keying it in, you tap on login. It opens this way for you. Okay, so what we are looking for, one, is for us to know our affordability. So to know your affordability, you need to scroll down, and then you can see my affordability. Then you tap on my affordability. When you tap on the affordability, you need to see your photo there. If your photo is not there, you can't seek for loan through the Controller and Accountant General Department system. So if your photo is not there, contact your HR. Your HR will ask you to submit some details, and they will do that for you. Now, when you scroll down here, you can see we have remaining affordability. When you scroll to this side, we have affordability amount. So what you need is the affordability amount. However, if you enter the affordability amount and it's not working, you enter the remaining affordability. Make sure you enter everything. So for instance, you enter the 166.05, you enter everything. So that is where you find your affordability. With your net salary, you need to tap on your payslip. When you tap on the payslip, the current month payslip, you scroll down to the last page. The last page here, you see the net salary, which is down here, which is 2/298-32. That is the net salary. You need that, and make sure you write everything. So 2/298.32, you write everything. Then you move to your mandate number. So you come here, you tap on generate mandate form. So you tap on that, it loads and opens. So what you need to do is to tap on new mandate number, this green icon here. If you tap on new mandate number, they'll ask you, are you sure you want to generate a new mandate form? You say yes, then you generate. When you tap on the generate, it loads and it gives you this form. So GOG employee mandate form. So you have the form. See, you've gotten an SMS message. So this is the SMS message. So dear staff, your OTP for mandate number, you have the mandate number there, is you have the OTP here. So you need the OTP and you need the mandate number. Please take note, if you enter the mandate number wrongly, your loan wouldn't go through. You have to correct that. It's a key important detail here. So usually if you make the application, to be on the safer side, you can screenshot your mandate number and send it to your district chairman or secretary. I repeat, to send it to your district chairman or secretary. So that is your mandate number and you have your OTP. So we are good to go with the payslip. So what is next is for you to know the amount you want to apply for and the duration within which you want to pay back. So you simply go to your apps and look for Grnma Infonet. If you don't have it on your phone, you have to go to Play Store or App Store and download the Grnma Infonet app. So you tap on the app after you've downloaded it. You skip this, just tap on skip. Then you enter your details. You enter your staff ID here. Then you enter your password here. After that, you tap on login. Then if you see the success, you tap on continue. It loads and brings you here. So here, because you are applying for loan, you just select the loans and it brings you here. So here you tap on request new loan. So it opens this portal for you. So you can see your affordability, you can see your loan amount. You now open your payslip as I've shown you already. You fill in every detail here exactly as it's supposed to be. Make sure everything you put in here is accurate and it's real. So you put in your affordability, the loan amount, the duration. So this is how you put the duration. So let's say I want to apply for 6,000 cedis. I put 6,000. Then I move the duration. So you see 12 months. If I move it 80 months, the highest is 24 months. What this means is that if I want to pay it within 24 months, it means I'll be paying 300 cedis every month. Then you put here your net salary, you put your mandate number, then the OTP as I showed you, okay? The SMS that will be sent to you after you generate your mandate will contain the OTP. So you put the OTP here. Then you put the referee staff ID here, okay? I hope you know exactly what it is. I've explained that already. Then you confirm your name and then your account number, your bank branch and everything. Make sure everything here is correct. Make sure you've updated your details on the Infonet. Your Ghana card is updated. Your signature is updated on it. If you've not done that, I have a video on how you can update your details on the Infonet. Please watch that and do all that. So after you are done, you tap on request loan. When you tap on the request loan, you might get a couple of feedbacks. If there is an error with your input, the affordability, if you did not enter it well, it won't go through. If you've not updated your details on the Infonet, it won't go through. So please make sure you do all those things. However, if you still have an issue, please contact your district executives, your facilities coordinators, okay, or your sub-district coordinators. Get in touch with your district secretary, your district chairman, and they'll be able to assist you on that. However, if you have any issue, please, you are free to let me know and I'll be so glad to assist you. So after submitting it, your loan is now booked. What you need to do next is to get in touch with your referee, the person you choose to be a referee, so that that person will also approve that yes, I am the referee. If the person approves, then it moves to your district, okay? Then your district will also approve. Then it's moved to region, then to national, okay? Then eventually it gets approved for you. However, in the course of this, if you have any challenge, please hit your district secretary or your district chairman or your facility coordinators or any general executive that is within your district, and they'll be more than happy to help you out.